D, Molly, Harbor Road niggas over there. Another Harbor Road nigga over there. Sunnydale heads over here. Redwood City, South City. And that's Harbor Road right there.
What about me? Don't forget
Sunnydale. K4, where you at, K4? Fuck K4, nigga, 40 seconds. Damn you. 40 seconds. What 4 dudes is all about Trey phone, nigga, not shit. The grabber in the car.
They were on there fucking saying, South City, Redwood City. I'm like, oh, hell no, you fucked up right there.
You already down, nigga. Nigga, you South City. This is Jeffrey's home right here. You see it? That's South City. This is Jeffrey's home right there.
The surroundings.
Yeah, look at all the surroundings.
Look how clean it is. Look how clean it is, damn it. Sunnydale doesn't look like this.
I'm over here. Check her out.